let's take you outside to Coronado this morning at the Hotel Del, looking down at the beach there. There is some fog I do have to warn you about, mostly in the North County, farther up towards Escondido, and then out towards Ramona. Visibility between about 1 mile and 2.5 miles in those locations. There may be some pockets that aren't showing up at our reporting stations. Perhaps we're in Rancho Bernardo, Forest, Rancho Penasquitos, maybe Picardo Mountain. So just leave a little extra time if that's your route this morning. Temperatures are in the mid-60s for most areas. 67 in Poway, El Cajon, Chula Vista, downtown, 68 in Carlsbad and in Oceanside. And it is warm out in the deserts. It's going to be hot and humid there again today as that monsoon moisture, yep, we're still talking about it, continues to surge west. We're going to start to feel the humidity climbing today. Later today, you'll start to notice those clouds building, but it should be a really colorful sunset this evening. I can't wait to see your pictures. You can post them on our 10 News Weather Watchers Facebook page. And while it's not very likely today, I'll keep a very slight chance, maybe a 10 to 20% chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm near mountains today, but a better chance, and not great, still only about a 20 to 30% chance for a pop-up thunderstorm tomorrow. Temperatures will be trending near normal this week, getting a little bit warmer over the weekend, but not too much change along our coast. We'll be staying in the mid-70s. Overnight tonight is going to be warmer than the last couple of nights, thanks to that higher humidity and more of those clouds coming on through. So just be prepared for that, but it will be cooler by Wednesday night. Temperatures in the mid-80s through Thursday inland, and then we'll start to see some 90s into the weekend. A slight chance for those showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow again in the mountains, not nearly as active or as potent as those storms that we saw last week. Humidity does look like it's going to rise again Sunday into Monday as another surge of monsoon flow returns.